Alright, cool. You know how, yeah, I can't reach it unless I loosen the belts. Alright, I'm going! Our beautiful ducting has unfortunately cut through the engine pulley and got bulged out a little bit. So what Alex did was he just grabbed a hammer and just hammered it out 1/2 inch. And now we have clearance to the engine, which is great. I think when Charge built it, he built it millimetrically perfect, not expecting that the car would actually bend under load. And I think that's exactly what happened. And you know, the front radius support bent back a couple of millimeters and they hit the engine, and you know, and all hell broke loose. It was very slidey.
Yeah, no shit.
Maybe more than I would have wanted, just by a little bit. But we're playing with it. Pressures are lower. We play with some rebounds, some knobs, getting it dialed in. And then just reliability testing. And next session, I'm running pedal cam, so you'll be able to see some fancy footwork. And hopefully, I don't miss as many gears as I did last time. That'd be nice. Well, that was a workout. Well, first 2 sessions on the 86 done. We might still have a bit of a overheating issue. It don't like running hot. Maybe it's a head gasket, which means I'm gonna have to open up the engine again. But that aside, it's okay. It's way too oversteery, as you felt. Maybe upping the rear spring rate wasn't such a bright idea, you dumbass. So I have, with Alex helped me increase the front right height to kind of stop, because we had like 1.5 inches of rake going on. So maybe it's about like a little more even now. Maybe it's got like 3/4, maybe like 1/2 inch of rake at the moment. Hopefully that helps with oversteer. You know, it's a wheel car after all. If like a car just snaps sideways mid-corner and I slam into another car, that's not the greatest thing ever. So I need the oversteer to be workable, you know. Maybe I'll go back on the rear springs also, but we'll find out later. It's sad because it's over before it's really begun. Day 2 was supposed to be a great day for the 86. We're throwing on the Falcons, the new tires. Everything's supposed to go well. And then I realized as we're driving it onto the wood blocks to get it onto the jacks because the car's too low, I can't jack it up. I realized that the throttle pedal sensor, the TPS, was actually is dead. So we checked the engine bay. There's a ducting and there is a TPS. Yep, nope. That was rubbing on that. So, and that's done. And that's killed the TPS. That might be causing a bit of our misfiring issues kind of in the later afternoon sessions. I was really excited to try things out today because we threw on the new tires, and also after the wild handling day yesterday, I actually disconnected the rear sway bar end link on this side just to try and stabilize the rear end a little bit more. I think the Falcons would have made a big difference compared to the rivals. I was hoping the cooler temperatures, it's about 15-20 degrees cooler than yesterday. It would have been really healthy for the engine. It would have maybe solved the issue. But now I kind of know maybe that was the TPS acting up and causing our misfires and stuff. And we wouldn't be able to get to test the handling because even if I want to, I don't want to damage the engine any further. Also, it's running still a little bit hot. So, yeah, no. We're just going to call it a weekend. I think, you know, the 86 did great for what it is, for how early of a shakedown this is. This is the first really full event we did. We survived a whole day of beating on it. Some small issues. The ducting needs a little bit of rework, needs to get tweaked, and give the engine a little bit more clearance. I think Chach built it millimetrically perfect, and while the car isn't millimetrically perfect, the car bent. So yeah, the clearance went away. But otherwise, it's a good weekend. It's a good weekend. I enjoyed it. I got to drive it on the limit pretty close, and I got to really experience how it's gonna feel. Yeah, I need to drive better. I need to drive it better. I need to be able to handle it on the limit better, and I needed to not step out as easily. I needed to be able to drift effectively, to rotate on demand on the brakes, but that's too much. That was like, this moment I turned, the back end was just gone. Now the only trouble is I don't know how much of that was down to the tire and how much of that was down to the handling, you know, the actual vehicle. So we will figure it out. Won't be the first time, won't be the last time. It's a long-term project. It's gonna be ongoing for a very, very, very long time. Take our time with it, slowly figure it out. GLTC 86 is not going anywhere. Thank you all so much for watching. We'll see you all in the next one.